Hello everyone! Kamustang lahat? At kamusta ang halaman nyo at ng mga bougainvillea nyo? It's Michael here and welcome back to my channel. But before tayo pumunta sa main topic natin, I would love to share with you guys itong si Golden Fairytale Bandaw. She is blooming gorgeous. I love the color of the leaves, the pattern and location ng pagka-golden, super nice. And samahan mo pa yung bracts and flowers niya, so beautiful. Anyway, today is just a quick update episode ng ating bougainvillea clearing project from my previous episodes. It's just quick kasi maulan, almost a week na, and now hindi tayo makagalaw ng maayos since iniiwasan natin mababad sa ulan at magkasakit. From my previous episodes, napakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa kong hard pruning ng ibang bougainvillea. It's just a portion kasi gagawin ko pa yung remaining bougainvilleas. So, ang ginawa ko was hard pruning and repotting dahil yung mga ugat ng ibang bugis ay halos nilamon na yung mga kanilang potting mix. And now, ito na sila. Ito yung 2 weeks after they pruned and repotted. All are doing great, nagsisilabasan na yung mga bagong sanga and nakakatuwa. And yung iba ay nagiging lush na. Dumadami na yung mga dahon, and what is even more exciting and amazing is that hindi lang isa ang nilalabas nilang new growth, madami. This means effective yung paglagay natin ng high nitrogen content na fertilizer. At dahil dyan, I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa aking mga viewers na matiyagang nanonood sa current and past videos ko. Maraming salamat po. At lalong-lalo na sa mga subscribers ko na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. And if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, pakiclick na ang subscribe button para maging updated ka sa latest at sa susunod na videos ko about boogies. And parang maganda magkaroon ng update video after a month from the time na na-hard prune sila para makita at makompare natin yung before and after nila. So ayun guys, until dito na lang muna ang super quick update video natin. Kaya naman, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and healthy and we'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!